In this video, we will share with you 10 best practices for hydraulic car lifters operations. Welcome to AutoCare 360. Here we discuss general insight into auto maintenance and uncover the investment opportunities available within the automobile industry. So subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Hydraulic car lifters, also known as hydraulic lifts or car hoists, are commonly used in automotive repair shops and garages to raise vehicles off the ground for maintenance and repairs. Proper operation of hydraulic car lifters is essential for safety and efficient work. Here are some best practices to follow when using hydraulic car lifters. 1. Select the appropriate lift. Choose a hydraulic car lifter that is suitable for the weight and size of the vehicle you are lifting. Ensure that the lift's weight capacity exceeds the weight of the vehicle to be lifted. 2. Inspect the lift. Before using the hydraulic car lifter, visually inspect it for any signs of damage or wear. Check the hydraulic system, lifting arms, safety locks, and anchor points for any leaks, cracks, or other issues. Do not use a damaged or malfunctioning lift and have it repaired or replaced. 3. Position the lift correctly. Position the vehicle on a level surface and align it with the lift's arms or pads. Ensure the vehicle is centered and balanced on the lift to maintain stability during lifting and working. 4. Engage safety locks. Before lifting the vehicle, engage the safety locks or mechanical restraints on the lift. These locks help secure the lift in place and prevent accidental lowering or shifting while working on the vehicle. 5. Lift the vehicle gradually. Use the lift's control panel or handles to raise the vehicle. Lift the vehicle gradually and smoothly, avoiding sudden or jerky movements. Monitor the lift and vehicle as it is being raised to ensure stability. 6. Use proper lifting points. Identify and use the manufacturer-recommended lifting points on the vehicle. These points are designed to safely support the weight of the vehicle without causing damage. Refer to the vehicle's manual or consult a professional if you are unsure of the lifting points. 7. Securely position the lifting arms/pads. Make sure the lifting arms or pads are securely positioned under the designated lifting points of the vehicle. Check that they are properly aligned and in contact with the vehicle's structure for optimal stability and support. 8. Utilize additional support stands. If you are performing work that requires extended time under the vehicle, it is recommended to use additional support stands or jack stands as a safety precaution. These stands provide extra support in case of any failure or accidental lowering of the hydraulic lift. 9. Lower the vehicle carefully. When lowering the vehicle, do it slowly and under control. Lower the vehicle gradually and monitor its descent to ensure a safe landing on the ground. Remove the lifting arms or pads from under the vehicle once it is fully lowered. 10. Perform regular maintenance and inspections. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for maintenance and inspection of the hydraulic car lifter. Regularly check hydraulic fluid levels, lubricate moving parts, inspect safety locks and mechanisms, and address any maintenance issues promptly. Always adhere to the manufacturer's instructions and safety guidelines when operating hydraulic car lifters. Proper training, regular maintenance, and a cautious approach will help ensure safe and efficient use of these lifting devices in your automotive repair operations. AutoCare 360 is your one-stop solution for setting up an auto shop. We specialize in designing tailored auto maintenance shop setup packages for a variety of auto maintenance shops including vulcanizing shop, mechanic shop, lube bay, car washing bay, auto straightening and spray shop, general tools, equipment, and many more. Get in touch with us today. Tell us where you are watching us from. We will be happy to hear from you. Like, comment, and subscribe.